welcome back to our English classes. I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro, and today is Monday, March 21st, March 1st, 2021. And today is the first day of the third month of the year. So, why don't we start? Let's make a review of what we learned last week. For example, who is faster? Who is faster? Do you think Sonic or a car? Yeah, that's right. Sonic is faster than a car. Let's see the next one. Who is funnier? SpongeBob or Clarence? In my opinion, I don't know for you, but in my opinion, SpongeBob is funnier than Clarence. But that's maybe because I haven't seen Clarence a lot. Who is taller? Remember, taller. Mario Bros. Or Luigi Bros. That's right. Luigi is taller than Mario. Who is stronger? Iron Man or Hulk? Well, the answer is very simple. That's right, Hulk is stronger than Iron Man. The next one. Who is more beautiful? A puppy or a kitty? In my opinion, and this is what I think, a puppy is more beautiful than the kitty because I like more dogs than cats. Okay, let's see today's topic. Today we're going to talk about seasons of the year. We have winter. There are four. First of all, there are four. This is winter, spring, summer, autumn or fall. Autumn or fall. You can be called both names. So, let's see. In winter, it's the coldest season of the year. You are cold. It's from December to February, and in that season, we celebrate Christmas. Also, we use sweaters, scarves, hats, and a coat and stuff like that. There's also snow in some parts here, no, but there is also snow because it's too cold that snow comes down from the sky. Then, after winter, we have spring. That is, the weather is more warmer, but not so hot. It's warm. Between cold and hot, it's warm. In this season, flowers and plants come again. We can see flowers coming out. We see animals coming out, and there are a lot of flowers. It smells pretty great, and the grass seems greener and stuff like that. It's from March to May, so we're going to start spring really soon. Then after spring we have summer. That is the hottest season of the year. When you're it's so hot, and you go to the beach to refresh a little, or maybe you do something else. But summer it's very related to the beach. This is for June to September, and is when we have the summer vacations in school, right? And after summer we have autumn. That is when the leaves fall off the trees, and it's cold but not too cold. It's cold that you use a sweater to not get a cold and stuff like that. Here the important, I think, it's the you see the colors. That is how are the colors, that is yellow, orange and red. You see the leaves falling off the trees and stuff like that. This season is from September to November, and that's the last season that we're going to see, because then we start with winter again. So I want you to think which of these 4 seasons is your favorite. My favorite season is autumn, because I like a lot the colors and to see the leaves fall down of the trees. But and that's all for today, and thank you for watching the video, and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.